fully confident in the 787 Dreamliner. These claims about the structural integrity of the 787 are inaccurate and do not represent the comprehensive work Boeing has done to ensure the quality and long-term safety of the aircraft.
Boeing whistleblower claims the older Dreamliners are at risk of breaking apart because of the way the fuselage was built. New billboards around Snohomish County hope to catch a killer. Carol McKinnon's daughter was the victim of a hit and run along Highway 99 in Linwood 3 weeks ago. She says a local outdoor company donated these signs, hoping they might reach potential witnesses.
People that take the buses around here that are just walking past here.
The State Patrol is looking for the suspected driver. All they said for now is the person was driving a dark-colored car, possibly a Toyota Corolla. Seattle native Amanda Knox faces a new slander trial in Italy 8 years after that country threw out her murder conviction. CBS's Sabina Castelfranco explains.
When she was first questioned at a police station in Perugia, she pointed the finger at the Congolese owner of a bar where she worked. And because of her false accusation, Patrick Lumumba spent 2 weeks in prison. Knox will be tried in absentia. Sabina Castelfranco, CBS News, Rome.
New pushback against a potential rollback of Seattle's minimum wage for delivery app drivers. 20 local unions are asking the mayor and city council to keep that ordinance in place. Critics say the law is leading to less business for restaurants after companies like DoorDash and Uber Eats added service fees in response. And now at 12:32, we head to the Beacon Plumbing Traffic Desk with Mickey Gomez. Cairo News Radio Traffic Alert.
This report is brought to you by Emerald Queen Casino. All general purpose lanes blocked, leaving just the HOV lane open on northbound I-5 south at 272nd Street. And this is for a collision. We've got a military vehicle on its side, and it looks like traffic is getting by in the HOV lane. Tacoma to Federal Way takes about 32 minutes. That is a 22-minute delay for you right now. And Federal Way to Seattle about 33. Federal Way to Bellevue takes about 40. A lot of people are bailing and